How to earn money online from e-commerce. In this article, we'll explore the how and why of e-commerce. We'll cover some basic strategies for succeeding in e-commerce, with an emphasis on product selection and marketing. All these factors are important to take into account when looking at whether or not you should start a business online, in order to earn money from it after all. There are many ways to earn money on the internet, and selling your own products to others is one of them. For any e-commerce platform, it is important that you be able to trust from your prospective customers in order for them to place an order with you. That is why having a good website or landing page is crucial. One cannot earn trust if he has a bad-looking site. Another thing that will earn you trust is a long list of product reviews that can convince potential customers that they are not risking their hard-earned cash by purchasing your products. Product recommendations are another way to earn business of most people online, because all people love getting what they want, right? You earn their trust by providing them with a good service in exchange for their money, and many people drop by to earn your recommendation. Speaking of recommendations, another effective way of earning money online from e-commerce is through social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and others too. Join groups that are related to your niche and provide them with value that will earn you trust. Put up an engaging status update or tweet. This will earn you referrals and sales. Getting new followers on your social media platforms will also earn you some sales if they visit your website and place an order. Another effective way to earn cash via e-commerce is by using remarketing techniques, which can earn you massive commissions from the big search engines like Google AdWords. When it comes to earning money online from e-commerce, it is important that you earn trust from your potential customers. In addition to having a good website for your store, it would also be essential if you have as many product reviews as possible. If you are new to the world of e-commerce, then here is some more information on earning money online and how one can actually earn serious cash online. Earning potential with e-commerce income. If you are wondering if earning money online from e-commerce really works, then the answer is yes. You will earn a passive income when you start an e-store and put products up for sale. The earning potential of earning money online from e-commerce depends on various factors such as the niche or type of business that you are running. One can earn big by running a business that sells physical products. E-commerce businesses have very minimal or zero operating costs, which means there would be a smaller burden on your budget, and the cash generated from earning money online from e-stores would accumulate faster than you expect. E-commerce provides anybody who wants to be his own boss with opportunities to earn an income without having to tie down for a long period of time in the evenings or weekends. Spending countless hours trying to sell something as difficult as water when clearly all people want is information. 4 tips for success in e-commerce. 1. Connect with people. Join groups that are related to your niche and provide them with value that will earn you trust. Put up an engaging status update or tweet. This will earn you referrals and sales. Getting new followers on your social media platforms will also earn you some sales if they visit your website and place an order. 2. Using remarketing techniques. Another effective way of earning cash via e-commerce is by using remarketing techniques, which can earn a massive commission from the big search engines like Google AdWords. 3. Earn trust. It is important that you earn trust from your potential customers. In addition to having a good website for your store, it would also be essential if you do have as many product reviews as possible. 4. Do SEO. Search engine optimization is one of the most important things that earn money online newbies need to learn. It basically means that you can earn cash from search engines when they earn you lots of traffic and sales. Other ways of earning money from e-commerce. There are many ways to earn money online, and by selling your own products to others, you can create a steady stream of income. One way to earn money from e-commerce, which involves both finding products and marketing them effectively. One of the first steps for e-commerce is locating the best products for sale. You should do some research about the product before you find suppliers, price it competitively on your site, and advertise it thoroughly to increase demand. This preparation should be done ahead of time so that once you collect sales, you can immediately ship out orders. To make an impact with e-commerce, you need research, creativity, a good website with a quick loading speeds, and great customer service to answer any questions or concerns customers might have. One of the biggest challenges for starting an e-commerce business is advertising, and you can earn money from this by using affiliate links to promote products. By doing so, you earn a commission for every sale that comes through one of your links. This method works best with friends or family who will be willing to share the products they love on social networks with their own followers in exchange for earning some money. Affiliate marketing has its fair share of fraudsters as well, which requires more due diligence when choosing these companies as partners. In addition to finding suppliers and promoting them effectively, you'll also need to invest time into creating a website that is easy to navigate and gives customers all the information they require in order to make purchases without hesitation. So you want to create a site with great content. How to create great content? Write a draft of your blog post, then insert the links into each individual product that you are going to review as an addition to your e-commerce site. Insert some niche images of the product you're going to review if possible beforehand, so they'll be ready for insertion once you have written the article. The best way to earn cash from earning money online is by monetizing it properly and earning an income every time a reader clicks on an advertisement found on your website. So, how do you monetize your website for cash? One of the best ways to earn cash from earning money online is by putting Google AdSense advertisements on your website. There are many other web monetization options that can earn you commission every time a person clicks on an advertisement, such as affiliate marketing and CPA, cost per action. In addition to your own site, you should also consider working with small to medium business e-commerce sites, which earn you money for bringing in paying customers. To earn money from e-commerce, you need to be creative and know where to find products that are in demand. You should also create a website with great content so your customers can easily purchase items without hesitation. To monetize your site for cash, consider Google AdSense advertisements or affiliate marketing, whichever works best for your audience. E-commerce is a great way to earn money online, but it's not always easy. This video has offered some tips for succeeding in e-commerce by giving you advice on creating products and marketing them effectively. For more information on how to earn money online from e-commerce, be sure to give us a like and subscribe, as we will be creating weekly content on how you can earn money online. Thank you, and we will see you next time.